Low-FODMAP organic shopping list. Creating a comprehensive organic low-FODMAP shopping list is a wonderful way to support your digestive health while prioritizing high-quality, sustainable farming. Navigating the world of fermentable oligosaccharides, disaccharides, monosaccharides, and polyols, FODMAPs, can feel like learning a new language, especially when you're also trying to stick to organic certifications. This guide is designed to be your ultimate companion for your next grocery trip. We will break down every aisle of the store, from the vibrant organic produce section to the pantry staples and the dairy case, ensuring you have a clear roadmap of what to buy and why it fits into a low FODMAP lifestyle. The golden rule of low FODMAP shopping. Before we dive into the specific items, it is helpful to remember that low FODMAP does not mean no FODMAP. The goal is to reduce the total load of these fermentable carbohydrates to give your gut a rest. Choosing organic options ensures that you're also avoiding synthetic pesticides and GMOs, which many people find further supports their overall well-being during a gut healing protocol. The organic produce aisle, your foundation. This is the heart of your shopping trip. When you shop organic, you are getting produce grown in nutrient-rich soil without synthetic fertilizers. However, even organic fruits and vegetables can be high in FODMAPs like apples or garlic, so we have to be selective. Green and leafy vegetables. Leafy greens are the champions of a low FODMAP diet. They are nutrient-dense and generally very easy on the digestive system. Organic spinach, a versatile staple. Use baby spinach for salads or mature spinach for sautéing. It is rich in iron and folate. Organic kelma, whether you prefer curly or lacinado, dino kale, this is a low FODMAP powerhouse. Just be sure to remove the tough stems if you have a sensitive stomach. Organic Swiss chard, with its beautiful colorful stems, chard is a great alternative to spinach and adds a mild earthy flavor to soups. Organic arugula, known for its peppery kick, arugula is naturally low FODMAP and excellent for adding zinc to sandwiches or salads. Organic bok choy, perfect for stir fries. This crunchy cabbage relative is safe and soothing. Hearty and root vegetables. Root vegetables provide the healthy carbohydrates you need for energy without the fermentation issues of high FODMAP grains. Organic carrots. These are a true low FODMAP safe food. You can eat them raw, roasted, or steamed. Organic parsnips. Sweeter than carrots when roasted, parsnips offer a wonderful starchy texture. Organic potatoes, all varieties, russet, Yukon Gold, Red Bliss are low FODMAP. Ensure they are organic to avoid the pesticides often used on conventional dirty dozen potatoes. Organic Japanese sweet potatoes. While standard orange sweet potatoes, yams have moderate FODMAP levels in larger servings. The purple-skinned, white-fleshed Japanese variety is often very well tolerated in half-cup servings. Organic radishes. These add crunch and a bit of heat to your meals without any bloat. Other essential veggies. Organic bell peppers. Stick to red, orange, and yellow for a sweeter flavor, or green for a more savory note. They are low FODMAP in standard serving sizes. Organic zucchini. This is a dose-dependent vegetable. A serving of about 1 to 3 cup is low FODMAP. It is great for making zoodles or adding to muffins. Organic cucumber, hydrating and perfectly safe. Great for snacking or adding to water. Organic green beans, a classic side dish. Just keep the serving to about 15 beans to stay within the low FODMAP threshold. Organic bamboo shoots. These are excellent for adding texture to Asian-inspired dishes and are naturally low in fermentable sugars. See, the low FODMAP fruit basket. Organic fruit is a treat, but because many fruits are high in fructose or sorbitol, we must choose carefully. Organic strawberries. These are often top of the dirty dozen list for pesticides, so buying organic is a must. Fortunately, they are low FODMAP. Organic blueberry. blueberries, stick to a handful, about 1 to 4 cup per serving to keep the fructans low. Organic raspberries, similar to blueberries, a small serving is delightful and safe. Organic kiwi fruit, these are fantastic for digestion in general and are low FODMAP. Organic oranges and mandarins. These citrus fruits are refreshing and safe for most people on this protocol. Organic unripe bananas, a firm, slightly green banana, is low FODMAP. As it ripens and gets spots, the sugar content shifts, making it higher in FODMAPs. Organic pineapple. Fresh organic pineapple is bright, acidic, and low FODMAP. It also contains bromelain, which can aid protein digestion. Organic proteins. Building strength protein is naturally low FODMAP because FODMAPs are carbohydrates. However, when shopping for protein, the organic label ensures the animals were raised without antibiotics or growth hormones and fed organic feed. Land-based proteins, organic grass-fed beef. Look for ground beef steaks or roasts. Since there are no carbs in beef, it is perfectly safe. Organic pasture-raised chicken, whole chickens, breasts, or thighs. Always check the labels for added flavorings or broth injections, as these often contain hidden onion or garlic powder. Organic turkey, great for ground turkey bowls or roasting. Again, avoid pre-marinated versions. Organic pork, chops or loin are great options. Be wary of organic sausages, which almost always contain garlic. Eggs, organic pasture-raised eggs, these are a low FODMAP superstar. They are versatile, easy to digest for most, and the organic pasture-raised variety offers a better omega-3 profile. Plant-based proteins, organic firm or extra firm tofu. The processing of firm tofu removes the water-soluble FODMAPs, making it safe. Avoid silken tofu, which is high FODMAP. Organic tempeh. This fermented soy product is generally well tolerated and provides a nutty texture. Organic canned chickpeas and lentils. Wait, aren't beans high FODMAP? Yes, but the canning process leaches out some of the sugars. If you buy organic canned chickpeas, rinse them very thoroughly. A 1/4 cup serving is considered low FODMAP. The organic dairy and alternatives aisle. This is where things can get tricky because lactose is a primary FODMAP dairy options. Organic lactose-free milk. Many organic brands now offer a lactose-free version of their whole or 2% milk. Organic hard cheeses. Because the curing process removes most of the lactose, cheeses like organic sharp cheddar, Parmesan, and Swiss are naturally low FODMAP. Organic butter. Since butter is almost entirely fat, it contains negligible lactose and is safe for most dairy alternatives. Organic unsweetened almond milk, a great staple for smoothies. Check the label to ensure there is no inulin or chicory root added for fiber, as those are high FODMAP. Organic macadamia milk, naturally creamy and usually very low FODMAP. Organic coconut milk, canned, great for curries. A serving of 1/4 cup is generally safe. The organic pantry, grains, oils, and spices. Your pantry is where flavor and texture come to life. When shopping organic, you are avoiding the glyphosate, often sprayed on conventional grain crops. Grains and flours, organic quinoa, a complete protein and naturally low FODMAP. It works as a salad base or a hot breakfast cereal. Organic white or brown rice. Rice is the ultimate low FODMAP grain. Basmati and jasmine offer wonderful aromas. Organic rolled oats, stick to a 1-2 cup serving, uncooked. Oats are high in fiber and very soothing for the gut. Organic buckwheat. Despite the name, it is wheat-free and low FODMAP. Buckwheat groats make a great porridge. Organic gluten-free flour blends. Look for blends based on rice, flour, potato, starch, and tapioca starch. Avoid blends containing bean flours like chickpea flour or soy flour. Oils and fats, organic extra virgin olive oil, the gold standard for health and flavor. Organic garlic infused olive oil, Olive ay kere pisin nanidi por ayin anir ilo alisorator che. This is your secret weapon. FODMAPs are not oil soluble. This means you can get the flavor of garlic in an oil without the digestive distress. Ensure it is a true infusion and doesn't have garlic pieces floating in it. Organic coconut oil, great for high heat cooking and baking. Organic avocado oil, a neutral oil with a high smoke point, spices and condiments. Organic herbs, think basil, oregano, thyme, rosemary, and cilantro. These are all low FODMAP and pack a punch of flavor. Organic spices, cumin, turmeric, smoked paprika, and cinnamon are all safe. Always double check taco seasoning or curry powder for onion, garlic fillers, organic soy sauce, or tamari. Ensure the tamari is gluten-free if you are sensitive to wheat. Organic mustard. Most simple organic mustards, yellow or Dijon, are safe. Just check for garlic on the ingredient list. Organic maple syrup, a perfect low FODMAP sweetener. Unlike honey, which is high fructose, maple syrup is generally well tolerated. Snacks and extras, organic walnuts and macadamia nuts, these are the safest nuts for low FODMAP snacking. Organic pumpkin seeds, pepitas, a great source of zinc and easy to sprinkle on salads. Organic dark chocolate, look for 70% cocoa or higher. A small square is a perfect low FODMAP treat. Ensure it doesn't contain high fructose corn syrup or milk solids if you are very sensitive. Organic rice cakes, a simple crunchy vehicle for peanut butter. Ensure the peanut butter is just organic peanuts and salt. Shopping strategy, how to use this list. When you head to the store, try to shop the perimeter first. This is where the fresh produce and proteins live. As you move into the inner aisles for your pantry staples, the most important thing you can do is read the labels. Even in the organic section, manufacturers often use natural flavors, which can hide onion and garlic, or sweeteners like agave and honey, which are high FODMAP. By sticking to whole organic ingredients from this list, you are taking a massive step toward a happier gut and a healthier planet.